This is a video update on the electricity problem at Let's See It Please house. This refrigerator right here does not work anymore. Had to unplug it because when the power was turned back on, the refrigerator compressor was humming, and I tried to hum along, but I didn't know the tune. But just the same, the fan will not run. There's no fan. So when I got that power surge that day and it tripped the breaker, it took out that refrigerator. Now that's the second refrigerator I've lost due to a power surge. The first one I lost was during the Hurricane Ike. When I came back, the refrigerator would not work anymore. But this circuit is back on, but the lights on the circuit still flicker, so it's not fixed. And I won't use that microwave over there. I've got one in a back bedroom that is brand new. This is the circuit that is bad right now, but it is back on, but it has been flickering. There's Shiloh Cat just chilling right here, enjoying the central heat. It's back on. That circuit, it also took out the central heat and air. This lamp is back on. It still flickers though every once in a while. And so this is the microwave, as you saw in a couple of videos ago of mine that I got. I opened it up around Christmas or so, the day after Christmas. I put up the video. It's a Hamilton Beach microwave. This room is on a different circuit, so this microwave is safe back here. Anyway, that's the update on the electricity problem at Let's See It Please. I've still got the problem, but the circuit is back on at this time. I'm hoping it will stay on so I can at least use the central heat. As you know, that refrigerator is fried now. And that's about it for right now. You saw it right here on Let's See It Please.